What is going on and what next for Chinese markets given the data? It's just no letting up.
The Chinese stock market has been a bear market for 3.5 years. And therefore, every investor, including Chinese investors, are asking, where is the market heading? Here, I think you can look at probably 3 factors very broadly. One is market sentiment. I would say that today it is very bearish. Most QFI investors have exited the market, and many amongst them are not even interested in a discussion. And in China, domestic investors are also very bearish. You speak to 10 of them, maybe 11 are bearish. So sentiment is very bearish. 2, valuation, which is very depressed. I think I have not seen the Chinese stock market selling at such depressed valuation for maybe 20 years, if not longer. Third is the economic outlook. It's probably mixed. There are certain sectors that are really struggling, like the housing market. But there are also some sectors that are doing pretty well. Like, for instance, the hard tech sector, the semis, the EVs, and so on. But for some reason, most investors focus more on the negative sectors and not the positive sectors. But the key here, I think, is the economic outlook in, say, 6 to 12 months' time. Will it be better or will it get worse? I mean, that's probably the $64 million question on the lips of most investors.
What about these efforts to try to boost consumption? Because they've come out with this 20-point action plan over the weekend. I suspect they feel like that will help some of the sentiment, but at first glance, that seems to still lack a lot of specifics and details.
I would agree with what you have just said. It would improve things on the margin, but I'm not sure whether it will be enough to turn around the economy. There is also this negative wealth effect that is taking place in China. Most Chinese are feeling poorer, partly because of the housing market correction and partly because of the bear stock market in 3 years. And therefore, most Chinese have tightened their belt and will spend only if necessary. And therefore, you look at all these luxury items, they have not done well, which I think will continue for many more quarters.